I'm going to show you 3 different ways of making a freeze frame inside of Premiere Pro. And the first method is pretty simple. We can go to one part of the video right here. Let's say I want to have this as a still image. I can go here into the program monitor and you can find this export frame option. And if you can't see this, you can click the little plus icon right here and drag it to this area. So when you are using this option, you can simply just click export frame, and then you will get this dialog box popping up. So here you can select where you want to save your image. So I'm just going to put it in this folder right here. And you can also choose to import it into your project as well. And this will allow it to get imported back into your bin. So if you click OK right now, you'll see that in our project bin, we got this image right here. So we can just drag it and put it on top. And if you play this back right now, you see that we have this still image on top. And you can make it shorter or longer. The next method you can do to make a freeze frame is to insert a frame hold. So let's say I want to make a frame hold right here. I will then simply right click on the footage and then add a frame hold. And this will make the rest of the video clip a freeze frame. So like you see right here now, the rest of the video clip is just a still image. But I don't really like this method that much. Then the last method that I'm going to show you is much better. So let's say I want to make this a still image. I will then just simply right click on the video clip and insert frame hold segment, and this will allow you to get a frame hold segment in between your video clips. So it will make a still frame in the middle right here, and then it will continue playing back the video after that frame hold segment. You can also adjust how long or short you want your frame hold segment. You can simply do this by clicking Command or on Mac or Control on Windows. And when you do that and hover over the video clip, you will see that we get this yellow little transformation button right here. And we can ripple edit this. So let's say I want this to be really short. I can make it really short like that. And you will see that it makes like a stutter effect. And that might be something you can use in your video. But you can also make it longer, so you can drag this out and it will keep the rest of the video intact. So it's just this little segment right here that will be a freeze frame. To learn even more Premiere Pro effects, make sure to check out the videos on the screen right now. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, create and inspire, and I will see you in the next video.